What is going on, guys? Header here, back with another video. Thank you so much for being here again in another day. Well, today was to me personally was a slow day. Some of my students were actually to catch the buys from here on Nasdaq, which I'm very happy, very impressed what they are doing now at this point. Now I like that they're actually starting to make their own entries and making their own decisions. This is awesome. It makes me feel really good. So if you guys are interested on the actual mentorship and course that I'm actually offering, I recommend you going on teamprofitsenglish.com. You will see all the information there that we're having regarding the bundle. But right here you can see, so I've been showing you guys on the previous videos and previous days back, that the market is pulling back. We're seeing that Nasdaq right now has, it's been coming from a massive crash right here. It was caused pretty much by the high interest rates, inflation, then the war in Ukraine. So a lot of indecision. The price was struggling to break above to continue pushing up. So it's still like kind of struggling, even though we had this nice push. Let's see what's going to happen right here in this, especially in this area, okay? Because if the price creates this the first higher low, you see that the market is being pretty much creating lower lows and lower highs. So all the time market dropping, and now the first higher low, the first higher high right here, it's being formed. It broke this high, right? Now it didn't break this. Let me see. Oh yeah, it did. The body of the candle, I didn't see it. So the body of the candle did actually close above this one. So it broke this high and it broke this high. So we have already a higher high right here, and now price pulling back, right? And now look at what's happening. This is the 14,000 level, very strong level. This is a bullish engulfing candle. We are where? Where are we right here? We are in the golden zone. You see this little box right here that I draw? I don't know if you saw my previous videos, which I also recommend you guys. If you're new on the channel, please subscribe. I am posting videos every single day. If you want to keep track of everything I do, you better subscribe. All right. So right here, you see we are inside the golden zone. So we're seeing a lot of confluences right now. If you want to swing trade this baby all the way to the top, right here, maybe to the 15,000 level again, or 16,000 level. It's looking good. It's looking very attractive for it, for a big push right now. Looking from the technical analysis, okay? Because now, based on fundamentals, on news, you know that anything can happen. If things starts getting worse, if you see some type of news coming in about the interest rates are getting worse and worse, or something happens in Ukraine, besides that, something that can definitely affect, this could still crash, okay? So it's just a sign. It's just a really nice sign right now what's happening with that big bullish engulfing candle, that the market could now potentially continue its way up, okay? It could be maybe the end of the pullback, okay? Now that we are in the golden zone. Not just because we're in the golden zone, it means that it will push up now. No, you have to find different confluences, different signals. What? We are touching a very important level, which is the 14,000 psychological level right here. You see that this level in the past has been touched multiple times. Rejection has been acting as a resistance, as a support, and now could be a potential resistance, right? Support right here again. Just by seeing that trigger, that bullish engulfing candle, that's beautiful. So let's see what's going to happen anyways in the long term with Nasdaq, okay? Most likely S&P 500, US 30 will eventually start pushing up. Today was a pretty much green day in overall for the stocks, really nice. But as I mentioned, this was pretty much the entry I did today. Simple price action I'm not getting again. You see that my setups are usually very simple and easy. This is not something out of this world. I'm not trying to show something crazy. I just trade simple breakout of a structure. The price had broken. I actually missed there's a breakout of this little trend right here. I missed it, and the price was just consolidating, creating like a little flag. It's just a little pullback, okay? It's a push, Little push right here, little pullback, little push, little pullback. Now, this push broke. You see the momentum? Do you see that big candle, big momentum candle breaking this high? That's when I got in, and I placed the stop below the previous low, and that's it. I'm going 1 to 2 risk to reward. That is it, guys. Not too complicated. Just simple price action, breakout of a structure and jumping in, taking the risk. Okay. Not all the time is going to be this beautiful. That's right. Not all the time is going to be this beautiful. You have to understand that it's impossible for you to win all of them. You're not going to win them. All right. As long as you're following your plan, you're sticking to your rule, you're going 1 to 2 at least, you have a nice risk to reward ratio. It's very, very important to understand that. So at this point, this entry is on break even, securing profits already halfway up. And that's it. Following right now, the market can do whatever they want. We're already in profits, baby. We already secure profits and stops to break even. This is a risk-free trade right here on Nasdaq. And that's the only entry we did today, because last night, I made an entry on gold. And this is what's happening right now on gold. Again, simple setup on gold. Very, very simple. Breakout of a structure. You see what the market, even on 4 hour, is looking beautiful right here, right now. Look at that breakout. The touch right here, rejection. And now, boom, the price did broke very strong. Pulling back, giving you a bullish engulfing. And then buying right there, stop below low. The previous low right there. And that's it. I'm aiming to the 2000. Let's see if the market actually will reach the 2000 again. The gold will reach that price again. It's very, very expensive right now, gold. But that gold can get crazy sometimes. So again, this is a risk-free trade. I'm already on break even and secured profits already. And the market is showing a lot of rejection in this area. So it's making me think that price could push up tonight. I want to see that thing maybe reaching the 2K tomorrow. I don't know if it's too crazy to call that, but I guess I'm gonna call it. I think tomorrow it could be reaching the 2000. Well, let's see, because it's actually Wednesday today, and tomorrow is let's see, it's Thursday, reversal Thursday. So let's see what's gonna happen. Maybe it's gonna crash tomorrow. It's gonna reverse. But anyways, I want to call it. I definitely want to call it. I want to call that gold between Thursday and Friday will be reaching the 2K. Let's see if it's gonna happen. All right. So, but that's basically it, guys. That's basically the entries we did pretty much today. No losses. I already called this day a win because we already secured partial profits, and we are on break even. Stops to break even, so anything can happen right now. We don't care. Okay, at this point the market can do whatever we want. Already secure. Alrighty. So again, guys, if you're interested on how I trade, you want to see these trades, my setups every single day. You want to see quality trades, not quantity trades. I do not trade too much. I don't like trading too much. I am very picky with my entries. So if you want to learn what I do and you want to do and repeat this thing, highly recommend you starting and check out my actual bundle that I'm offering right now. If you want to learn this thing, definitely this is the best investment that you can do on yourself. Be careful with the signals, guys. I know that on the bundle that I'm offering, I say there clearly that I'm offering Signals VIP group for life. Like you only pay once and that's it. It's part of the bundle, right? I'm offering the course, the mentorship, and the VIP Signal group for life. Don't get excited because you see VIP Signal group for life there. And I want to make this very clear. I'm focusing on teaching. I want to teach you what I do. I don't want my students to depend on me forever on the signals. I want my students to start making their own decisions. And I'm going to show you right now here on the VIP that my students can reach out to me and they can write messages directly. This is an open chat right here. So they are sending their own entries. When they make an entry, even before I actually send a signal or something, they are already jumping in, and I'm very happy for that. I'm feeling very proud. They're making their own decisions now. So my students are interacting with me all the time right here, and they are writing to me personally or right here on the group. They are sending their own setups as well. So that's what I want to do. I want my students to learn this thing. I don't want my students to just, oh, it's a, you know, it's a VIP signal group for life. I'm not gonna pay. I'm not gonna keep paying for anything. You know, I don't want you to rely on that. And not just, as I mentioned, I'm not saying just this for me. Don't, if you're looking for signals, this is definitely not for you guys. The bundle that I'm offering, if you're looking for signals, this is not for you. If you want to learn, this is for you. I definitely recommend you getting this, okay? So that being said, again, I don't want to take more of your time, guys. Thanks a lot for being here. Appreciate. If you're new on the channel, please subscribe. Give it a big thumbs up. It motivates me to keep posting videos every single day. I love doing what I do. Thanks again for watching, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Have a good night.